Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to clear cache on Bitcoin.com wallet. So here's how you can easily do it. Launch Open your Bitcoin.com application from your app drawer and also make sure that you're signed into your wallet. Once signed in, go ahead and tap on the settings icon at the bottom right corner. From the settings menu, tap on App Preferences. At the very bottom of your app preferences tab, tap on Clear Cache and tap on OK in the pop-up to force close all of your wallet in order to clear your cache data from your Bitcoin.com wallet. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.